To make this type of animation, we just need two applications. One is Pixel Lab and second one is KineMaster. So first of all, let's open Pixel Lab. After opening Pixel Lab, delete the new text. Now we will take image size as YouTube thumbnail. Now click on plus mark and click on shapes. Thereafter set the shape color of this shape as green. You will have to choose green color for this shape. After that, we will set the stroke width of this shape. We will choose red color for the stroke width of this shape, and the stroke width should be set up to a certain level as per our requirement. Now click on OK. After that, resize this shape as I am doing it right now. Finally, expand it. Now tilt it a little bit. Also expand it slightly. Now make the background of this image transparent as I am doing it right now. Finally, save this image to your gallery. Now open KineMaster. After opening KineMaster, we will take new project of 16:9 aspect ratio. After that, we will go to media. We will click on background and choose a black background of up to a certain time duration. Here I took 14 seconds for this background. Now we will click on layer and type our text. In the text section, we will type animation. You may type anything of your choice. Now we will set the font for this text. You may choose any font of your choice. Now we will expand the duration of this text layer up to the original layer of this project. Now export this project. Friends, this project is being exported. After this project has been exported, we will go back to the same project and edit something on it. Friends, go back. Now open the same project that has been created just right now. Now we will edit something on it. Like we will change the background color from black to white. Now change the text color from white to black. Now we will, from the layer section, we will import the Pixel Lab PNG image that had been created in the starting of this video. Now we will expand it like this and we will make the key animation for this PNG image. We will click on key and make the key animation to and fro. Just see how I am making the key animation for it. You will have to make this type of key animation for this PNG image. Move it forward, then backward, again forward, then backward. You will have to make to and fro animation for this PNG image. Now export this project. Now we will export this project. After this project will be exported, we will again go back and click on new project. Friends, now we will go back and we will click on new project of 16:9 aspect ratio. Now we will go to media and we will choose the first exported file. The file that had been exported. Now we will click on layer and choose the file that had been exported second time. Now expand this layer up to the original layer as I am doing it right now. Now click on OK. Again click on this layer and click on chroma key. We will enable the chroma key and adjust it as I am doing it right now. Friends, your project is finally complete. Now we see how the animation has been created. So friends, it is really a very good animation. You must have learned something from this video. Thank you.